study this time around in shares of this company Humana. Free live stock tweets, real time, for those investors that are following us on Twitter. Sell Humana shares at 215. I've been quite explicit. You had plenty of time since the announcement on the blog of the company to sell shares of this company ahead of the collapse. Moreover, in the same article on the blog, we disclosed that we preferred investment position in Cigna, ticker CI. Therefore, after the announcement, shares of Cigna reached new all-time highs. Where is the surprise? There is no surprise, my friends. We have been informing you about all these major moves well in advance for free. For 6 years, I defended the Federal Reserve policy until June 2015, when I announced that for the first time I disagree with their policy, and since they decided to leave interest rates unchanged, you are going to pay the price. It's pretty simple, and therefore, since we never failed in the markets since inception more than 25 years ago, we are not going to fail because we have been proving all our claims. So we are going to focus today precisely on this call in shares of Humana. You have here the ticker at $190.75. This is the current price after hours. And you have also on the left-hand side Umbrella shares at $94.25. Last week they were trading on Thursday at $125 an hour when I told you to take profits on stock ahead of a crash. So again, you had plenty of time to close positions ahead of the crashes announced here at stockmarketlive.tv. And you have also to be very thankful for the Fed announcements that I've been commenting for free. So where do you find all this information? Well, quite simple. I'm going to show you here. You have to visit the single best website in the world discussing the stock market, and by doing so, you can click here on blog. This information has been completely for free in real time, I repeat. By visiting blog, you have here plenty of articles discussing the most important companies in the US stock market, in markets all over the world, in China, Japan, and so on. And if you click here on this one, where you have the logo for Cigna, the title is Vieira sells Humana shares, and if you read the article, you have to refer to this announcement last week. Subscribers dump Humana shares just in time, 215, no buyout. So, I don't know, no buyout. I think it's explicit, the English is clear. No buyout, you have shares today at $190.75. So we are going to take a look at the chart for Humana. I'm going to show you here in zooming. And you have shares, you see the collapse in Humana, so you had plenty of time, I repeat, to sell shares of this company at 215, even higher, or if you wanted to at 211, 210, today you have 190. Better price, I would say, if you still believe in the buyout, my friends. Buy at low prices, not when we are selling shares of Humana at 215 or Umbrella at 126, my friends. It's very simple, all right? So very simple. If you want to be millionaire investors in the market, the only thing that you have to do is to follow the guidance that has been available for free, not only to those that they follow us on Twitter, as well as to subscribers, where they have more information for obvious reasons, since they are paying for it, and but also on free live streaming sessions. You had one last week also commenting on these opportunities, unique opportunities for one to make a huge amount of profits by just following the guidance. If I say sell, you have to sell. If I say buy, you have to buy. My friends, the proof is that it is demonstrated for 25 years in a row in the website stockmarketlive.tv. It is available on YouTube, Vimeo, Twitter, Facebook, and so on. So, congratulations to everyone, to those that they sold the shares of this company at 215. But before I go, we have also to refer to the fact that today you had shares of Signa. Here you have a new all-time high, all right? So no surprise, like I said, new all-time high in Signa. And again, today also a free real-time trade alert in Signa, live on Twitter. So everything live, everything for free, my friends. This is so simple. Never seen a market where it is so simple to make a vast amount of profits without any risk. The concept of zero risk, I already announced it, I already explained it, and quite frankly, I'm tired of repeating the same every single day, okay? So you just have to refer to the opportunities, endless opportunities that they exist in the markets every single day, announced free for those that they follow us on, for example, the blog of the company. Just have to visit the blog instead of wasting your time and money by watching those financial terrorists on CNBC or other channels, thestreet.com, Seeking Alpha, and blah, 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 where you have all those, individuals and companies with interest in selling ideas, saying precisely what you should not do, and then if you follow their ideas, you lose entirely your money, as I proved, for example, the case of Twitter, just to mention one example among many, all right? So every single day, my friends, endless opportunities in the markets. You just have to follow the guidance. New all-time highs in Signa, congratulations. Today you have, I repeat, a free trade alert in Signa, and new lows in Humana following our announcement to dump shares of Humana and the crash in these two companies, Umbrella and Humana. So we are very proud of the Federal Reserve decision to leave interest rates unchanged. As I said, you are going to pay the price, all right? So I've been defending their position for 6 years. I'm no longer defending their position. I think that is very clear from all the videos that I've been announcing it or disclosing or publishing. There is nothing else to be said, all right? If we never fail, we are not going to fail.